Ayan, so magandang araw mga kaibigan, mga katungkod. Ito ay live setup ng monetization ng ating Facebook. Ayan, so punta lang kayo doon sa Creator Studio, right? So puntahan nyo lang yung page ninyo, tapos yung Creator Studio, hanapin nyo. Pag nakita nyo na yung Creator Studio, may makikita kayong star. So i-cancel ko muna to guys ha. May makikita kayong mga page ninyo. Tingnan niyo yung eligibility ninyo. Okay, so hindi na tayo, sa dami ng page ko, ang pipiliin ko na lang ay yung eligible. Dapat may 1,000 followers. Okay, so pag nakita ninyo itong stars, ibig sabihin ay pwede na kayong mag-create ng monetization. Alright, so review terms. So syempre, hindi natin babasahin yan, mahaba. Okay. Agree. Live to guys na pagsiset up, no? And then verify details. Okay. So creator page, eTech International. Tapos payout account na. Okay. And then next. And then ayan na, Aliw Street, Santa Mesa, Manila. And then yung BAT. Okay. So, papalitan ko yung address ko guys. Kasi ang ginagamit kong address is yung 2202. Yung sa Santa Mesa, Manila. Ito kasi yung address ko ever since, no, sa sister ko. And then, kailangan tama yung information nyo guys, ha? Ayan. So, 0601 2. Yan, ito yung aking tax. The number entered in this flow is correct and taxpayer. Ayan, so i-enter natin yung ating tax. Your input required for tax should be matched with your recent return. Okay. Okay, so continue. Continue as Vincent. So, sana ay tama yung ginawa nating procedure, no? So, are you a US citizen? No. Kailangan nating masiguro na yung information. Are you acting as intermediary agent or the person receiving payment on behalf of other person? No. Or other person receiving payment on behalf of other person. Okay, no, because I am the one who are going to or who will going to receive the payment. Okay, citizenship should be Philippines. Okay, asa na ba yung Philippines na yan? And then I have a non-US TIN. Okay. Okay, I have a non-US TIN number. So, in-enter ko na kanina guys yung TIN number ko, di ba? Okay, so Philippines 2202, Santa Mesa, Manila, 1016. So, tama. Okay. Provide additional details. Location where services are physically performed, 100%. 100% services will be physically performed inside. Okay, 0% physically performed inside and outside. Okay. Related to the locations of where your services provided to us will be physically performed. For example, if you select that your services are or will be physically performed inside the United States, this means that you will be physically located in the United States. When performing your services, the US Tax Authority, okay, so dapat ito. What, okay, percentage of time you will be physically located inside, so 0%. will physically perform. Tama naman, di ba? Okay. Kasi physically perform inside or outside eh. O di outside siya, 99%. Okay, I certify that the capacity. Okay. Consent and sign. Baka ayaw nyo nang ilagay yung aking ano. Line 1? Bakit ganun? Okay. So, hindi natin alam guys kung update your signature electronically on behalf of someone. Uncheck electronic signature consent. Okay, lampasan natin yon kasi update. Okay, when you get paid, dapat may $100. Okay, go to payout. Tingnan natin. Sa Pag-ibig loan, tapos andito yung form. Saan ko na save? May pipil upan ka kasi guys na hindi ko na matandaan ba kung saan ko sinave. Anyway, yung tax code guys ay sinesend yun. No, yung tax code na to, ito yun eh guys. Ayan yun no. Hindi ko lang kung saan, baka naka-desktop. Ayun nga. So, ito nga yun guys. Tama naman yung pangalan ko. Okay. Kailangan siguro ng approval. Tutututuotu. Okay. So, tama naman signature. Ayan. Okay. Close ko na yan. An admin has made. Ayun. Baka kailangan ng idan. Tapos, idan. Ayan o. Verify your details. Okay. Once approved, you can introduce. Okay. Okay, so thank you for to start earning. Ha, kailangan natin to ng screenshot, guys. Kailangan natin ng screenshot para meron tayong ipakita. Yan. So, proof. Facebook monetization. Gawa tayo ng folder. Ayan. Okay, so okay. Monetization stars. Dito pala mapupunta yung ano. Okay. Tapos ayun guys, yung aking pwedeng mapunta sa video. Ay, not linked to any product. Teka, kailangan natin ma-link. So, mabusisi lang siya guys, pero once na maano natin, Swift code, hanapin natin yung Swift code. Yan yung video Swift code guys. Saan na yun? You know. All right. Oh. Save. Oh, yan na yung aking country. Please refresh this page after 10 minutes and see your account changes. Your tax due to inconsistent. Okay, kailangan daw siyang i-resolve natin yung tax, guys. So, that's all, guys. So, I guess everything is set up correctly. So, let's stop this.